currently hiking at the Devil's Icebox right now. It's kind of cold, it's kind of chilly, but honestly, it's not that bad. It's pretty fun. I am posted up on here by myself. That's pretty much it.
I ain't worried about a thing, cause I just hit me a lick. I got a fat sack and a super fly chicken. If they ain't acting, you could say to a player. Cause do-wop, she fly like the planes in the air.
Alright, you guys, we're going up all these stairs right now. Let me tell you, I haven't worked out like this in a minute. It's been a while. It's really pretty though. See like the sunset, all this stuff. So yeah. Ooh, look at that lighting right there. That's so good. That is so good. On this little pathway right now. I don't know where I'm going, but it is quite fun. The sun right there. Okay, you guys, we made it to this little epic tree moment here. Just lay on it if I really wanted to. This is fun. Me and my friends came here one time to this exact spot. It's kind of cool. It was like 3 years ago. Anyway, reminiscing. That's actually only 2 years ago. Gosh, up there looks so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Up here. Ooh. It's very peaceful. Okay, you guys. We made it to the Devil's Icebox. It's kind of it's a little flooded. We're up here though. Whoa. It's kind of vibing around thing. Families here. It's fun though. It's a very nice little spot. That's what it looks like. You see all that back here? It's crazy. Back there is so cool. Maybe they can see us. Shout out you, whoever you are. Right on.